So what's up, YouTube? JJ's here at Sports. Showtime Sports Cards. You're going to open 4 packs of Studio, see if you get to hit. He's going to be the one to open the box. So, here you go, son.
Open it?
Yeah, open it and open the box real quick. Just strike it across. Okay, give it to me. Hold on, son. Hold on. Get down, James.
Dad, here's my card.
Alright, 4 packs, one at a time. No, one at a time, son. One at a time. Just open that one.
Tonight I'm gonna mess this up.
All the way. Open it all the way. James, get off your brother.
What was he in the back? Oh, he got some.
James, get down. Who's that? Rudy Gay. Huh? Open it up. Let's see all the cards. Okay. Next pack. Get it. Be random. You don't have to be a thread in the front, do you? Put the cards down. Rick. Is that
LeBron James or insert.
That's nice.
Let's see what that's.
No.
No, just the insert. We gotta open the door.
Who broke it? Did you break it? Who part it?
No.
Get going. Hurry up.
Middleman.
James?
No.
Get down. Get down. Heavy, what are you doing? You better not be drawing on anything. Team Studio Proof. Number to 199. Alright. No, not yet.
One more pack.
Get one more pack. Let's see how lucky you are. There we go. Whoa! Blake Griffin!
Oh.
Sweet! Sweet! Look at that, son. Number 499. Good hit. Good hit. Good job, son. What do you think about that one? Right on. Here, hold this, Jake. Let's see if I get one. What's the card, son?
Daddy,
Yep.
can we get a snack?
Oh, no. Nice. This kid is lucky, man. Blake Griffin auto?
Griffin,
Daddy, can we
I
get
will.
a snack? Daddy, can you open my snack, please?
Go ahead. Go get a snack.
I'll get my own snack.
Dude, it's a hard auto, too.
On card.
On cards. Number to 49.
Not 99. 499.
Oh, 4 of 99. You see that? It's on. Is yours
Here we
on
go.
card or is it sticker?
Wallace hit.
Can you open these?
That
Can
is
you open
nice.
these, Dad?
That's nice.
All right.
Can you open this?
Sweet.
Dad, can you open this?
All right. Coffee 1204 out. And here at Showtime Cards, Tucson, Arizona. Later.
Okay, let's go play.